Our school offers a high-quality French Immersion program for children in kindergarten through grade 6. We are thrilled that you are considering our school. Let's open the door to Bishop Savaryn and giving your child the opportunity of a lifelong gift of a second language.
Bonjour, my name is James. I'm in grade 5. I'm so happy to show you our school. Here is our front office. Madame Violet and Madame Santos are here to welcome us every morning. Bienvenue. Je m'appelle Kara. Je suis en 5e année. This is our kindergarten room. Our kindergarten teacher is Madame Monique, and she loves teaching kindergarten.
Madame Monique.
I have been teaching with Edmonton Catholic Schools for 17 years in kindergarten. I love my school. It is a great family with passionate teachers, and we have amazing students who have a love of learning French. Kindergarten is a program where children learn through play and hands-on experiences while having a gentle introduction to a school environment. Kindergarten provides children with an opportunity to learn and practice social, emotional, and problem-solving skills, as well as exposure to new language skills and numeracy activities. We learn through routines, centers, stories, art, movement, small and large group activities, and through exploring the environment around us. They are so proud to share and teach their parents the new words and phrases that they are learning at school.
I like learning French because I want to be a doctor, and learning different languages will help me become professional and safe people.
The benefits of learning a second language are endless, and the French Immersion program is specifically designed for children who come from non-French speaking families. Kindergarten and grade 1 are the 2 points of entry for French Immersion. No knowledge of French is required for these entry points. Learning a second language has many benefits. It enriches and complements a child's first language, facilitates fluency in additional languages, encourages new ways of thinking about things. It opens doors to exciting career opportunities. Bilingualism is at the core of Canada's national identity.
Le français est fantastique.
We are so lucky to have a library full of books in both English and French.
Our library is an inviting space situated in the center of our school. We have an extensive selection of books in English and French. Students love this welcoming and comfortable space to think, connect, share, and imagine.
Did you know that we have a mental health group at Bishop Savaryn? This group picks a mental health topic every month and then gives tips on the bulletin board and on the announcements. This month, our theme is the benefits of sleep.
This room is called the piazza. It is a calming area in our school where we can come and relax when we get worried about something. Je sais comment utiliser des stratégies pour me calmer.
My name is Jolene Tim, and I'm a therapeutic assistant in behavioral therapy here at Ecole Bishop Savaryn. The Piazza is a place to grow socially and emotionally, whether it is one-on-one or in a group setting. Our therapeutic assistants in behavioral therapy work with the students to ensure they have the strategies to settle into our inclusive setting. It is in this calm environment that students learn problem-solving skills, emotional regulation, social skills, and self-esteem building. It is truly a place where they can spread their wings and fly.
My name is Madame Bijot. I teach the students music in English and in French. I love teaching music because it's my passion and it's how I share my joy. We sing, we create, we play instruments, and we dance. Most importantly, my goal is that every child develops an appreciation of all the music that surrounds them.
Here is our gym. I love this space as this is where we can be physically active. Physical education helps with the mental health and wellness of everyone.
Our physical education program builds a foundational skill set of basic movement, choices, and willingness to participate in physical activities. We have a wide range of equipment and use both indoor and outdoor space to develop physical literacy.
J'aime jouer avec mes amis.
We would love to have the opportunity to talk to you further about more information about French Immersion programming and all the options that are available to your child.
Thank you for checking out Bishop Savaryn School. We are excited to welcome your family into our school community.
Merci et au revoir.